Want to connect with friends, share photos, join communities, and stay updated on what's happening? In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and use the Facebook app, including how to create a new account. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your phone. Tap on the search bar and type Facebook. Select the official Facebook app from the search results, then tap Install or Get. Once the installation is complete, open the Facebook app. Now tap Create New Account if you're new to Facebook. If you already have an account, simply sign in with your email address or phone number and password. Next, enter your first name and last name, then tap Next. Now, select your date of birth and tap Next. Next, choose your gender and tap Next. After that, enter your mobile number or email address, then tap Next. Now, create a secure password and tap the Next button. Next, tap the I agree button to accept Facebook's terms and policies. Facebook may send a verification code to your phone number or email address. Enter the code in the provided field and tap Next to verify your account. Once your account has been created, you can add a profile picture, update your profile information, and find friends by syncing your contacts or searching for people. From the Home tab, you can browse your newsfeed, create posts, upload photos and videos, join groups, follow pages, watch videos, and chat with friends using Messenger. You can also tap the Menu tab to access your profile, settings, marketplace, reels, events, saved items, and other Facebook features. And that's it.